know we'll see Troy Melton at some point. And a chopper slowly hit up the middle. Grabbing that, the second baseman, Lee. He'll flip over to Unroe at first.
Base, and Malloy did what he does. He turned on a fastball and got himself a nice RBI single to left.
That was 91-mile-an-hour heater that he turned around, and Hao-Yu Lee stands there. And the 1-0 is right there for a strike. They'll make a 1-ball, 1 strike on Hao-Yu Lee.
We had a lot of conversation last night about Hao-Yu Lee, after being hit in the face, broken his nose down in Columbus, how tough it is to get back in the box and be confident.
And a drive high in the air to center. Blanco looks like he's got room. He's got it pegged and makes the grab. And the pitch, that one driven in the air to left. It doesn't have much on it though, and it'll hang there for the left fielder Biggio to make the grab. And Hao-Yu Lee. Melton sets, delivers. Chopper will hold the runner, as coming in to field that is Hao-Yu Lee. So it'll flip over to first, 4-3 to retire Prado. There's 2 down with that runner at third.
Well, that time playing in
to start up down on the Storm Chasers bullpen. Junior Fernandez, a 28-year-old, is going to start loosening. And the pitch will be low and outside. 2-0 to Hao-Yu Lee. Hao-Yu Lee, RBI single, 0 for 2 today. He's flying out twice, once to center, once to left. And the pitch. Chopper back to third, scooping that up on a backup. Castillo's throw is in time to get Lee. Can't believe it. Wow. That ball was caught by Prado in the foul territory side of first.
Yeah, Prado has really shown a good glove at third base in the first 2 games.
Well, I see why Hao-Yu Lee thought he was safe. I mean, that ball is caught.
Yeah.
And you know what? I think the other one, I think he was safe. This one, I think he's probably out. Look at.
And again, I think the way they're playing defensively, they're probably trying to throw the ball inside to these guys.
Yeah, they're trying to get him to pull here. And under 1 ERA. Sisk delivers in tight. 2-0 to Hao-Yu Lee. The 2-0 swing and a miss.
Can be effective for a while.
Grounder up the middle, ranging to his left. The second baseman Wilson's got it. Throws over to first in time. Leadoff single for Unroe, but he stays. And a grounder up the middle, ranging to his right as Lee's got it. Fires over in time. Perfect inning turned in by Tyler Owens, who actually is going to give the Mud Hens tonight an inning and a third. Back part of that bullpen, as we'll be back for the bottom of the 9th inning. Mud Hens trail it